Let's drive. Hey, can I get a chicken nuggets and fries and a cheeseburger, please? Yeah, can I go? Wait, what did he say? I said, can I go? Okay, when we're there. Paramount. Great. Great. Oh man, he was before 1988, 1987, and I was something we forgot. What's that? I made something. Why would you do that? I couldn't even get that smoke detector to get on. It's just correct. I just have a cup of coffee. There's so many choices. Why would you even get that? Well, I didn't get that. Still making tough choices. Choices.
Definitely him. Dude, that's Jessica taking a break with a cup in the frosty. I gotta ask him. Hello. Hi. Mind if I sit? And now get 20% off in the Wendy's app when you I'm a high school hero. Class 89, baby. I'm about to relive my glory days. Cheese.
Okay, hockey. He plays hockey. He plays hockey. It's comeback season. It's comeback.
All at prices you can't believe. But you should. And Blitz and Fast Shipping. Work full in 2 minutes. So this year, go to Wayfair for goodness sake.
That's why I'm a mama bear. I need to freeze my dozen eggs. I need to connect with dozen eggs with leading organizations. I didn't even get that. Well, you can just get this done. I'm your father. I'm your parents. You're not my parent. You're not me. You're you. Can I just become my parents? Okay, fine. You can become your parents, but just only one thing.
Launch Eucora. Eucora makes effective urinary tract health products. It truly works miracles. The peace of mind I've been looking for. Go to eucora.com to learn more.
Okay.
Why don't you check the cover room? Maybe look the contracts in there. I don't know, Tag. How can your genitals make phone calls?
Okay, attention all our shelters. Here's the straight talk for you. Use your loved ones to save money on virus. Attention! The Center for Medicare Advantage plans with sports networks and goes with doctor coverage. You need Part B prescription drug coverage and more. There is no activation fee. Yeah. Yes, you heard me correctly. What?
Stop.
Thinking about cleaning the living room.
Do you have life insurance? No, I don't have life insurance. Do you? No, you gotta get on it. Check out SelectQuote. We shop, you save. Good to see you. That was 1 hour ago. I gotta pay my prescription drugs. I gotta pay my prescription drugs. And I'm gonna get some right here at Kitty Drugs. At Kitty Drugs. Prescription drugs. No food here's either here.
This is where you and I part ways. Lazy bitch.
I'm a mama bear.
You wear a yellow windbreaker?
Yeah, we had sex and fell asleep.
No, we were in the middle of sex. And you fell asleep.
Well, that's not true. No, best time ever. You rocked my world.
Monica,
Be quiet.
I was giving you some of my best moves, and you missed it. So please wake up so we can do it right.
Hey, Lenny. Give me a good start.
No, don't fall asleep.
You know what?
Okay, I'm going to make you probably won't spill.
Yeah, that's really great.
Over the kitchen floor.
Oh no, please, Magic 8 Ball. Hello, Magic 8 Ball. I'm here to help you. I need that Allstate. I need car insurance. Customized and save with Geico, Progressive, Liberty Mutual, and Allstate. That's most car insurance companies. Liberty. With Progressive? I need car insurance. Progressive can't protect you from becoming your parents. And Progressive can't save you from becoming your parents, but we can protect your home and auto when you bundle with us.
I don't know. Let me check.
I'm sorry, Pepsi, go.
Any luck?
Can I see you in my office for a minute?
Yeah.
You found them! I'm just really relieved this whole thing is
You put these on my desk.
I did not.
Oh, really? So you're saying that...
How did you know they were in my bottom drawer?
Give me that end credits.
Hot for you right now. Come on, how did you get back here?
Can you do that?
Oh, hi, officer. Fireman. Can I help you?
We found your fire alarm in the trash chute.
That's not mine.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
The next time you want to dump a fire alarm in the trash chute, don't wrap it in a blanket that says property of Phoebe Buffet, not Monica.
Okay, do you have a search warrant? Because the last time I checked, this was still America.
Please reattach this. It's against the law to disconnect them.
Fine. But please, God, tell me how to stop it from going off.
Just press the reset button under the plastic cup.
There's a reset button? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Reset button? My God. How did I see that? Reset button. Reset button. Where's our reset? Oh, here it is. Oh.
have a good grip? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start to climb down you now. Just hurry up. Okay. Now, should I climb down your front so we're face to face, or should I climb down your back so we're butt to face? Face to face. I agree with you. Oh my! How much do you weigh, Ross? I don't have to answer that right now. I'm still carrying a little holiday weight.
Well, okay, but okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.